What's up everyone, Johnny X back with a new wallet video. Today we're gonna focus on Lost Dutchman leather. You've just seen me unbox this really nice big fin here, but before we get a closer look at this, I just wanted to give an update on my Finnigan wallet from Lost Dutchman. As you know, I have a couple of videos on this on my channel already. It's quite a favorite among the EDC community. I've had this for around 2.5 years now. I believe I bought it in June of 2021, and I've been carrying it almost daily. I have switched back and forth with some other wallets, but this has been the one I have been going back to the most, because I just really like it for what I carry in terms of a wallet. So you can obviously see how nicely it has patinaed with age. There is still just a little bit of the original color over here, although it's even that has darkened now. Really happy with this wallet. You know, it's just been amazing overall for me. I had done also a bit of monogramming here. Overall it's held up like a charm, no problems whatsoever. It still smells amazing even with all that use. So basically the way I carry this is I keep some cash folded in thirds on the front. I have my Victorinox Swiss card over there, which I can access those tools since I keep it at the front. And then behind that I have, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. You know, it's been just amazing for me, and it really fits my needs in terms of a slim minimalist wallet. But I have been hankering for a new wallet, and especially from Lost Dutchman, and I wanted to try out the Big Fin. Now this is a special edition Big Fin because a couple of weeks back Lost Dutchman Leather had a special sale where they had a line of Shell Cordovan wallets. So this is made from Shell Cordovan leather. I can tell you it's really amazing. Like, it's my first Shell Cordovan leather wallet ever, and it just smells amazing, and it's you can hear it's like creaking. It's overall like a really nice looking wallet. This particular colorway, I believe it's called whiskey and lava. So there was another actually model which was the reverse of this. So you had the main body was lava, and the flap was whiskey, and I think that looked even more amazing, but it sold out in like a matter of seconds practically. So I picked this up, and I'm still really happy with it because I think it looks really nice, really sleek. So basically you've just seen me unbox this at the beginning of the video. Let's have a bit of a closer look now. I mean, the stitching is as always superb. Nate has gone with a red stitching, and I think it fits the overall look of the wallet really nicely. The Big Fin, as opposed to the Finnigan, you have to look a bit side by side. Obviously the Big Fin is larger, but design wise it follows like a very similar style. Obviously the Finnigan, the Fin line of wallets all do. Another important change also is that the Big Fin has a quick access card slot at the back, which I was interested in trying out really, and something that the Finnigan obviously lacked. Also the Finnigan, it's just one compartment and you toss everything in there, whereas the Big Fin has a bit more organization going. So practically you get these like dividers here. So you have, let's say, portion at the back where the quick access card will also be. If you put one there, you have a section in the middle and a section in the front. And the nice thing about these dividers is that they are quite flexible in terms of what you put in. So as you can see, they are not stitched in the sides. I think they are just stitched here at the bottom, so they can accommodate really whatever you throw in there. I've only used this today, so this is day one for this wallet. And the way I'm envisioning carrying my cards in this is practically like this. So let me show you. I have my usual cards. Now in terms of quick access, I'm going with my transport card, so that goes right there at the back. And I think this should also work like you know, if you just tap it like this on the sensor. I still have to test that out actually, but I think it should work like that. We'll see. And then I was thinking of putting all my other cards in this middle section here. So as you can see, with a little pinch you can get really quick access to all your cards. You can just take them out and shuffle and pick out the one you want. So I think I'll have my cards in that middle section there. And then I'll go with my Victorinox Swiss card at the front, because I still like to have quick access to those tools. So you have a toothpick, a mini screwdriver, I have the pin there, as well as a pen, I believe, and the little pincers, tweezers I should say. And then as regards cash, so you have two options for the big fin. I have euros here. I'm sorry, I don't have any other notes, just a 5. So you can obviously just pop this in the back, sort of put it in like that. But you can also use this as a cash wrap, and then you can open the cash up and just put it in without folding, and then you can just close everything like so. So you can see, still quite slim. You can obviously put in more cards, and the leather will stretch out, although be careful not to overload it and then go back, because you'll find the leather has stretched and it might become loose. It seems to I mean, the flap seems to be really solid in place, like there's no way this is gonna come undone, you know, it just needs a little bit of effort to open. And as a cash wrap, I think it works really nicely. I have never had a cash wrap style wallet before, so I'm looking forward to using it as a cash wrap. And as I said, then the cards, you can access them from the middle section. You can pinch a bit and you can get the cards like so. So I hope you found this video useful. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to post below and I'll be happy to take a look. Here's my Finnigan again. We'll see if I keep going back to this. You know, with this big fin in hand, I think it's unlikely, because this is looking really, really nice. I'm hoping the whiskey will darken a bit now with use. I usually tend to go for darker wallets, but you know, I couldn't let this one pass, because I really wanted a special edition big fin if I had to upgrade. So yeah, looking forward to put this to the use. I might have another wallet video in the near future. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading much, because it's been quite a busy year. We just bought an apartment, so it's been moving stuff over, and we're preparing for a wedding, which our wedding will be next month. So yeah, haven't had much time to upload videos, but hoping that will change in a couple of months now. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, any questions, feel free to post. Hope to see you soon. And that's all. Bye-bye.